I want to add different movements per layer. Let's start a movement. We're going to go with 22, which is going to start off, I think, being something along the lines of 0.7 on the X mod. And you should see what this does once I add a couple of different movements. So for every layer going up, we're going to add more to the X mod. And we're going to end up boosting it over that point where it goes to 1.0. So let's just see. If I make this up to like 0.9, you should see that the objects are moving less in the middle and more at the bottom. This is the 0.9 layer. This one is going to be 0.95. Then this one's going to be 1.0. And the next one's going to have this interesting movement where it kind of spreads out across the screen. I don't know how to explain it other than just showing you by setting it up. We just got to keep going all the way past 1.0 on these movements until we reach 1.15, which is the final layer that we have. And now we have it so the top layer is moving. Oh, God, I don't know how to show this. What if I could just set up a static camera here? I'm trying to make it. Yeah, so it kind of just spreads out and the top layer is actually moving away from the player. It's hard to see without actually seeing it. So I'm going to add my detail and then just copy paste it across the screen so you can see. I've just made an example right here where the bottom square is group number 1 and the top square is group number 3. The middle one is 2. And I've put move triggers. So we have 0.75, we have a 1.0 in the middle, and we have a 1.25. And if I play in normal mode, you can see that the top one is going away from me and this square is moving towards me. Okay, this is looking better straight away. There's a bit of a pattern forming. Now I can copy paste this whole thing. I'm going to get rid of the static camera I set up first though. Kind of cooking with this background, I'm not going to lie. You should see it splitting up at the top now, which is super cool. You see how it's moving away from me. I like this background so far. I think the pulsing effect is really cool.